How to activate Credit One bank credit card online. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. Open up a browser that you prefer on your mobile device or in your PC. Search for Credit One bank login. Tap on the first suggestion given to you. You will find similar interface like this. To log in, enter your username and your password and tap on Sign In. Tap on Forgot username or password if you have forgotten your credential. To sign up, enter your first name, your MI, your last name, and your last 4 digits of SSN. Then tap on Find My Offer. To activate your credit card, you have to log in to your credit card first and foremost. In there, you should find the option of Edit Your Payment Method. To add or activate a credit card, you just have to go ahead and select a credit card option. Then it will ask you for all of the credentials required. You have to enter your 16-digit card number, your CVV, your expiration date, your social security number, and some of the verification document that it may ask to verify that it is really you. Once you submit all of the criteria that it requires, it will take at least of 24 hours to activate your credit card. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.